Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Today I share information thermometer. This is a winter instrument industrial thermometer likely from the TAS series. It features a dual scale ranging from roughly minus 15 centi to 80 centi. The thermometer has a impact resistance polypropylene case and a glass tube filled with red liquid. So this is a commonly used HVAC system because chiller inlet and outlet, you can see this thermometer give accurate temperature. Okay, you can see how is the water temperature. So many places this is important to install, so easy to available in the market, and need a calibration after some time, but this is the good company you see, and this is the information. Assalamu alaikum.
Thanks for watching my video. Please subscribe, like, comments.